As a quick announcement, the Sweet Softies merch shop is now open. There are gifts for crocheters, crafters, yarn addicts, mamas, and more. It's all designed by yours truly. Here's a sneak peek at some of the apparel in my shop. I have hoodies, tees, and more designs and pieces coming. I also have different items for crocheters like water bottles, caps, zipper tote bags, and canvas pouches. The link to my shop is in the description box below. Thank you! Alright, let's get to it. So this year's free crochet-along is Betty the Butterfly. I'm very excited to share that she got 40 new siblings during the Creator Challenge, so let's take a look. So amazing to see everyone's butterflies. Thank you so much for participating and hope you'll join again for next year's free creator challenge. Until next time, bye now.